Hello everyone, this is Mike Padua, Mr. Typhoon, and we're back to our latest update on XTD Wilma, which has weakened into a low pressure system back to 93W. And this is now the final coverage on this X tropical depression. And this for today, Sunday evening, December 7, 2025, English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000 and Naga College Foundation. If you want to view the Tagalog version, there's a link up here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just search our Mike, Mr. Typhoon Padua channel for more details on the Tagalog version. And also, this is brought to you by 𝗗𝗶𝗶𝗺𝗶𝗺𝗿, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainability. If you're interested, just click on the link here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just go to the description below this video for more details. And the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Leni Robredo and our Honorable Vice Mayor 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗿. So let's begin with the update. Wilma has died, okay? Around 8 a.m. Sunday morning, it has dissipated into a low pressure system, a remnant low, as it crosses Masbate. It passed over eastern and northern Samar without any cloud convection. Most of the rain bands are located or was located over the 𝗗𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗃 region when it passed over there. And there are some areas in the 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 region that was flooded due to heavy rains, especially in 𝗗𝗶𝗊𝗃, parts of Camarines Sur. Here in Naga, the rainfall was only around 30 to 60 millimeters, which is just right based on the forecast of the Weather Manila and Project NOAA of UP, the European model or ECMWF rain model. Okay, so here's the latest fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, and you can see that the remnants of the system is affecting Mindoro and Palawan. The northern part of it is now embedded within the shear line, now moving across Camarines Norte, Polillo Island, Northern Quezon, and into Aurora and Cagayan Valley. So expect rainfall for the next few days. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from Windy for the past 6 hours. And it's already past midnight of December 8th. You can clearly see here the development of this more rainfall, which will be expected to fall here over the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley from Aurora up to Tuguegarao area. While here over Mindoro and the Palawan are the remnants of tropical depression Wilma. The rest of Bicol region will be expecting some improvement of the weather during the day. Okay, December 8th. And let me show to you now the final track of Wilma, courtesy of 𝗵𝗂𝗃𝗃. So this is just a low pressure here. And then for the past 12 hours, it moved here. And it is currently over here, that 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. And is forecast to move towards the Calamian group within the next 12 hours. So the remnants of the system, the cloudiness, are now affecting this area of Mindoro down here to northern Palawan. While some of the convection here has passed over this area of northern Bicol. It's moving towards the north. And here's the latest on the rain forecast. So today, Bicol region will have much improved weather conditions, and the shear line will migrate up to the northern portions of Luzon, particularly Cagayan Valley. So this will be the location of the shear line today. Okay. Meanwhile, localized thunderstorms can be seen here over Mindanao and over Palawan, which is due to the remnants of 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃93W, formerly Wilma. And if we move this slider into Tuesday, you can see that the shear line will once again move back towards Aurora and Northern Quezon because of a slight northeasterly wind flow that will move it towards the south. And Wednesday, it will again retreat. It will again retreat over the Philippine Sea. Thursday, it's over the Philippine Sea once again until Friday. And the wind direction is blowing from the east. So we will be back to easterlies. Okay, and then for the rainfall accumulation forecast, there you go. That's the shear line going down to Aurora and Northern Quezon on December 9, Tuesday. Wednesday, it will become diffused. And so far, it will be only affecting and going back towards Cagayan Valley, affecting the eastern sections of Cagayan and Isabela. Okay, so far that's the forecast. Now, if we take a look at the wind forecast, here's the northeast monsoon affecting northern Luzon on Monday evening, and then Tuesday we have the shear line moving back again towards this area, and then throughout the week until Friday we will be returning to the easterly wind flow across the country, or easterlies. Now on Friday and Saturday, Sunday, we have another renewed blast of the northeast monsoon blowing from eastern China, and it will affect the northern portions of Luzon once again. And we have the shear line again moving across Bicol region, the eastern sections of Bicol region, beginning Monday to Tuesday, December 15 and 16. So there might be rainfall there. And then moving forward into December 21 to 22, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon here, and shear line affecting Bicol region once again. So the shear line and the northeast monsoon will always be here every week or twice a week, depending on the strength of the high pressure over eastern China. And that will be the scenario because we are on the northeast monsoon season until March of 2026. Now let's take a look at the wave forecast. For the wave forecast, nothing new until next weekend. The waves over the east, north, and west Philippine Sea will remain rough and dangerous to all types of sea vessels more than 3 meters, while those over the central waters of the country, over Visayan Sea, Sulu Archipelago, Ray Gulf, Bohol Sea, Hintodolo Channel, will have less than 1 meter of wave height. So this area will be suitable for fishing and sea travel. Okay, so so far if we move this into the whole 14 days, it looks like the Pacific Ocean and the West Philippine Sea will be remaining rough and dangerous to small sea crafts. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest easterly wave.com, ECMWF, and symbol. So far, these are the remnants of LPA93W, formerly Wilma. And over the Western Pacific, it's all clear for the next 14 days, as you can see it here. No TC formation, no LPAs, and it's just easterlies, northeast monsoon, and the shear line that will dominate our weather for the next 2 weeks before Christmas. Okay, so that ends our update for today. It's already Monday morning, October 8th, Feast of Our Lady of Conception. And we'll see you again in the next couple of days, in the middle of the week. This is Mike Padua, Mr. Typhoon, saying stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.